Hello and welcome back to Phantom Stationery. So today we have got this new pen and the name of this pen is Zest, and we are going to do an in-depth review of this pen. So when we open up this pen, it comes with a normal grip. It does not come with a rubberized grip also. The price of this pen is 5 rupees, I guess. Yeah, the price of this pen is 5 rupees. And does it come with a jumbo refill? Yeah, pretty much it's like a jumbo refill overall. Now let's close this pen. So this is the overall appeal of this pen, and yeah, this is the overall finish of this pen. So this is the body, and the build quality of this pen is pretty neat and it's good. So now let's look at the writing quality of this pen. So when we write with this pen, it comes with a not so bright ink. The price of this pen is 5 rupees, so it is pretty acceptable. So that's that. So the writing quality of this pen is pretty neat and tidy overall. So it's a very good pen. This is a good pen. Overall, the writing quality of this pen is good and it's neat. I would give this pen a 7.5 out of 10 rating. So that's all for today.